Only with 10 o'clock, new information on a now former law enforcement officer accused of dealing in online child porn. According to prosecutors, the veteran Cobb County Sheriff's deputy once worked in a sex offender unit. And tonight we are learning he also sought and received training in sex crimes investigations, while prosecutors say he was committing online sex crimes against children. John Schierick on that story for us tonight.
For 17 years, he was a Cobb County Sheriff's deputy. Now former deputy Peter Billardello is under federal indictment, indicted in January after he was initially arrested this past August. According to federal prosecutors, Billardello possessed and distributed child pornography online for years.
It is the mere possession and the mere distribution of these materials that constitute the crime.
Bill Thomas is an Atlanta criminal defense attorney who is also a former federal prosecutor. I asked him about Billardello's training record. The record shows that just last year, while prosecutors say Billardello was using his cell phone dealing in child porn online, he was also taking elective law enforcement courses such as sexual assault investigations, understanding trauma and its impact on victims, and cell phone investigations. Cobb County Sheriff Craig Owens told us this past August, when Billardello was arrested, that Billardello was not then involved in investigating sex offenses. Prosecutors say Billardello did work for a time in a sex offender unit.
I mean, it would certainly give that person cover for those activities. It would certainly give that person access to materials that would feed that addiction or that predilection, if you will.
The warrants against Billardello say he admitted to chatting online about sexual acts with children, but stated it was fantasy only, and he denied uploading photos. We're working to reach Billardello's attorney for comment. Innocent until proven guilty, Thomas says, but any admission to police could make it tough for Billardello, he says, if the case goes to trial. In Atlanta, John Schierick, 11 Alive News.